शुरुआत ही अगर हम नमस्कार प्रणाम एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं तो पूरा सेशन काम कंपोज्ड एंड फोकस्ड हम एंजॉय करते हैं. Sitting straight for just few seconds. That is for our own benefit. To bring that clarity in thoughts. Allowing all thoughts to go out with every exhale. हर दिन इनिशियली इमेजिनेशन और फिर एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस के हर ब्रीथ आउट के साथ एक एक स्वर बाहर जा रहा है, एक एक बीज मंत्र जिसकी उतनी जरूरत नहीं कि कंटिन्यूस मेंटेन रहे. Breathe in pure positive energy, release impure negative energy. Within these few seconds, change everything. अभी तक कुछ न कुछ करना था, एडजस्टमेंट था, इतना कर लूँ, वो कर लूँ, एक्यूप्रेशर कर लूँ. Right now, everything still steady. With that steadiness within, praying together. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vitvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's stretch it and going down.
One thing is clear that we are not together here in this session with all proper enthusiasm. So let that enthusiasm be seen on the face.
All 5 fingers we are using for giving pressure on knees, surrounding of knees, legs are straight, backbone straight, and first Kriya, Kapalabhati.
Your elbows are tucked in, they are not out.
Face neither going up nor going down. It is parallel. Eyes closed. Straight, firm body posture. Structural stretch है ये.
Back of the knees touching to the ground, calf and thighs pressed there.
In the simple सरल posture using complete respiratory system. As always, force, rhythm, count, continuity. The way we are able to tighten our internal channel sockets, exerting pressure on them. with breath. Let us relax that tight place in Ardha Pavanuttasana, Ardha Varuttasana, Ardha Paschimottanasana. Fold the leg, stretch up, easily go down. No jogs at all. Aligned with the breath. Every step working on the joints or muscles and then internal organs. Even straighten your knee very slowly. Sudden jog नहीं, क्योंकि ना most channels को हम stretches दे रहे, तो प्यार से ही experience के साथ ही करना है. Nicely doing. Akash sir, Sharmishta ma'am, Jagdish sir. इनिशियल वार्म अप है, फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर का भी है, हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम का भी.
Slowly you realize that even touching nose to the knee is becoming easier as we progress.
Holding under the thighs, lean back and straighten the legs up. Bring legs down and feet touching on the ground. Lean back, legs stretch up, toes pull towards the body. And then down and relax. Urdhva Pavanuttasana.
Your knees are together.
Nicely doing. Anitama, Prajaktama. That final stretch when we pull the toes towards body. That stretch spreading in hamstring, calf, knees, sciatica. Replacing lip lock with smile. And a Praveen sir.
And let's enjoy how nicely that balance is coming automatically.
At least 10 times. Lean back, straighten legs, pull toes towards the body. And then release, relax. छोटा stretch है, शायद screen पे देखने में समझ में कम आता है, but when we try, it happens, and I experience that different stretch. Get nice, Suhasa, Supriya ma'am. Hands behind, relaxing legs. जितना स्ट्रेच इम्पोर्टेंट उतना ही केयर करना, रिलैक्सेशन भी इम्पोर्टेंट.
In yoga, we understand that every process has to be followed by the complementary process.
If you want to release, relax leg muscles, and then going for second kriya.
सुप्रिया जी, आपका कैमरा थोड़ा आपके बाएं में करना, थोड़ा सा. सुहास सर.
Sitting in Ardha Siddhasana, pulling both legs nearer to Muladhara chakra. Clasp the fingers, put the hands behind the head. And second kriya, exhaling through the mouth, Ardhokan kriya. Nicely doing, Shweta ma'am, Shrikant sir, Rakhi ma'am. I realize that stretch tightness on overall complete backbone, including rib cage and cervical.
How fast is this rhythm? Is all up to you.
Nicely doing. Suhasa, Supriya ma'am, Swapna ma'am, Veena ma'am. जब पोस्चर सही है ना तो वो ब्रीदिंग पे हम बहुत ही मस्त एंजॉय करते हैं. ब्रीद आउट है, इनहेल है, क्या प्रोसेस हो रहा है. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ योग.
All those who are only watching the YouTube and then doing the yoga probably will miss out on many things. What we do after every kriya is ribbon. It has gone in your DNA.
Separated legs. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, twist on, look back with the support of hands. Just roll it back. दोनों legs भी fold, knees भी fold. पूरा turn twist करिए. Smooth, easy twist है. From feet till head. First, raising hands up. Turn your legs. Turn from the west till the head, till the eyes. Look on the side. As always, coordinated movement with the breath. शरीर का मूवमेंट जो है लंबा गहरा सांस भरते हुए पूरा फर्स्ट ट्विस्ट है वहां जाके एक्सेल है. नाइसली डूइंग वीणा मैम. दोनों पैर टर्न हो जाए. इनर साइड ऑफ आवर leg touching, one inner, one outer.
Nicely doing, Shrikant sir. Energy in the palms. Your arms are fully stretched out.
Very nice.
There is no laxity here. Doing it good, Mamta ma'am. Excellent, QTG, Vikas sir.
Completely stretch hip joint. देखिए साइड का चैनल हिप्स मसल्स साइड टर्न हो रहे तो वो मसल स्ट्रेच प्रेस हो रहे जो शायद रूटीन में बिल्कुल यूज नहीं होते. चलने में है लेकिन मसाजिंग प्रेशर नहीं. Let's go in Sihasana posture. That is, both toes touching to each other, separated knees.
The toes are touching and they are pressed. You are sitting on the hips.
One hand in Vitthal Mudra, another hand for Vatakram Kapalabhati.
Vitthal Mudra is fingers pointing upwards.
Nicely doing, Mamta ma'am, Bhagyashri ma'am, Praveena ma'am. Posture posture of your arms, realize what all channels you are able to stretch, expand, and do cleansing. Very nice. Bring to my Pravit sir. And this is one of the best posture for baboon, lumbar region. एंड हाथों के पोस्चर की वजह से चेस्ट इन्वॉल्व है. बार बार बोलते रहते हैं तो एट टाइम्स काफी बार वो डायलॉग्स बहुत रिपीट हो जाते हैं, फिर इन बिटवीन ब्रेक देते हैं. यहाँ पे फिर एक बार रिमाइंडर है, whenever we complete this Vartakram Kavalbhati cycle, we have to end through right nostril Surya Nadi and then breathing through both, do Antar Kumbhak and then relax whenever you feel comfortable. कितनी देर होल्ड करना है. अब हम देख पाते हैं आपका टाइमिंग भी काफी इंक्रीज हुआ है होल्डिंग का, अंतर कुंभक का, और वो खुद को ही करना है और वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही आना है. एंड इट इज एवरीडे अफेयर. एक दिन कर लिया और फिर चलता रहेगा, शायद आगे 100 दिन के लिए नहीं होगा. We have to do it every day. Starting with Ardha Matsyendrasana. Opposite hand wrist up. Pressing knee and abdomen, holding ankle, twist back, look back. Wow, very nice. Everyone doing gracefully. Pull your hand up, stretch maximum up. Then hold ankle and twist. जितना ये फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर पे काम कर रहा है आसन, उतना ही our eardrums, facial organs. Just observe your jaw, your chin, your nose, even eyes and forehead. When we do that, twist and look back and do pranayama.
Beautifully done, Anita ji, Prajakta ji. Very nice. Very nice, Pravina ji. Excellent, Sharmishta ma'am.
हर एक आसन का अपना इम्पोर्टेंस. जितना इफेक्टिवली मटुकासन काम करता है हमारे एड्रेनलिन, पैंक्रियास, किडनीज, उतना ही इफेक्टिवली अर्धा मत्स्येंद्रासन भी करता है. And balance both sides equally. And then coming for next asana, Vajrasana. Turning fingers in, holding ankles. Pranayama fingers inward turn head. Breathing complete. with breathe out, first forehead touching to ground and slowly go on the top of your head. Literally feel that stretch from the brain, spinal column till the tailbone. से बहुत ही अवेयरनेस के साथ जरूर करिएगा. There should not be any giddiness. चक्कर सा आ रहा है तो रुकना बहुत ही जरूरी. In 4 letters. दूसरा सिंपल वर्जन तो कर ही सकते हैं. जब आसन में स्थिरता आती है तो देखिएगा प्राणायाम का पैटर्न क्या है. इज इट स्मॉलर, इज इट स्लोअर, डीप एब्डोमेन तक जा रहा है कि नहीं वो ब्रेथ. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन, ये इन्वॉल्वमेंट, दोज आर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल मोमेंट्स ऑफ योग. इसमें ब्रेथ भी है, एक्सपीरियंस भी है, तो फिजिकल बॉडी भी है.
All of us have got this clarity now that when you are doing asana, more involved you are with that process, more involved you are with the breathing, the final posture, that much more benefit you derive.
हाथों की वजह से कैसे हमने एक बंधन बना लिया कि उससे आगे जाएंगे, गलत स्ट्रेच आएगा ही नहीं. एक लिमिट तक ही आगे जा रहे. एबल टू गिव डायरेक्ट प्रेशर ऑन लोकेशन ऑफ आवर सहस्त्रार चक्र, क्राउन चक्र.
Krandamasana is supposedly giving the 1/4 effect of Shirshasana, which is called as king of the all asanas.
With the hands, palms under the shoulders, knees under the hips. With inhale, go on toes and just look ahead.
Your heels and toes are joined, knees are joined, mid-region is upwards.
Simple, perfect, and nice stretch of Dandasana. With the palms under shoulders and they are parallel to each other. Feet are already on the toes. Lean ahead, balance on palms and toes. Already physical structure, skeletal structure stretch हो रहा है. What all you can add? Internal organs, deep exhale means abdominal, thoracic है, throat region है ना review ma'am, Ravi sir. And this is best for everyone. Back pain, तब भी ये अलाइनिंग बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. स्ट्रेंथ वाला आसन है.
Lift up the mid region. Some of us are doing it this.
स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाने वाला आसन है. क्या बढ़िया श्रीकांत सर, राखी मैम. एंड इट्स नॉट भुजंग आसन. हम भुजंग आसन करते हैं तो लोअर बैक अंदर प्रेस कर रहे हैं, बट अलाइनिंग इज दंडासन, प्लैंक पोस्चर. स्ट्रेंथ वाला बोल रही हो तो जैसे जैसे ड्यूरेशन बढ़ रहा है तो कोई मसल से स्टॉप बोलने लगते हैं. इवन शिवरिंग सा एक्सपीरियंस होता है. तो वही तो स्ट्रेंथ ला रहे हैं ना उन मसल्स में. एंड देन एक्यूप्रेशर थेरेपी तो 100% है. एक बार हाथ थक गए तो पाम्स रिस्ट रिलैक्स जरूर कर लीजिएगा. यूज अप करिए in your own way, whichever way you feel comfortable. बैक साइड भी, फ्रंट साइड भी, साइडवेज भी.
Where is the smile? Nicely doing, Vidya ma'am.
Going in abdominal posture, chin on the palm, and then take one of the leg and raise up, hold it, slowly raise your upper body. Keep in mind, दोनों साथ में नहीं जा रहा है. First lift the leg up, raise up, and then slowly raise your upper body. क्या stretch, क्या stretch. Chin initially resting on the palm, left hand holding right toe, raise the leg up maximum, then go.
Excellent. Praveen sir. Renju ma'am.
As always, going beyond 7 breaths. जा सकते हैं तो 10 times, 12 times. Your control, your strength. Very nice. Elbow on the ground. Protect the mat. Elbow on the ground. Yes.
Hold the full toe. Complete, not only the big toe. Keeping the leg steady, then you go up.
Very nice. Very nice. Mamta ji.
Good, nice smile, Veera ma'am.
Vidya ma'am opposite hand चल सकता है. Left hand right leg, right hand left leg. Twisting वाला straight भी है. And just observe yourself if it is not comfortable, well and good. Yeah, gracefully doing. Suhasana. Swapna ma'am. Holding both toes together, raise your legs back and roll on the abdomen. Drutagat Purna Dhanurasana. Vikas carefully करेगा. If it is not comfortable, avoid भी कर सकते हैं. आपका कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे चलेगा. विकास कीर्ति मैम. स्वप्ना मैम पूर्ण धनुरासन. लेग्स को पूरा मैक्सिमम पहले स्ट्रेच करिए. Then roll on the abdomen. हम लेग्स को नीचे प्रेस करके रोल नहीं करते. It is going Dhanurasana first and then roll. वो फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर आसन वैसे ही होल्ड रहेगा. Nicely doing everyone. Beautiful massage we are able to give on abdominal organs, abdominal systems, and maximum stretch and expansion on thoracic.
Repetition करना जरूरी है ना रेंजू मैम? प्रवीण सर को देखने से खाली अपना नहीं होगा।
वो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, साथ साथ अपना भी। स्ट्रॉन्ग बैक स्ट्रेच सुप्त धनुरासन में। Let's go in front stretch. Upper leg raised up, hold it from inside. Keeping foot flat on the ground. Lower leg is straight, touching from hip till toe on the ground. Folded leg ऊपर कितना ला सकते लगे, not only toe, complete foot touching. And Abhina ma'am.
Initial posture is one straight line. Balance and then raise the leg. Hold and push.
Very gracefully doing. Rakhi ma'am. Shweta ma'am. Complete body is properly aligned. Then raise one of the leg up. After holding from inside, pull up, foot flat, pressed on the ground.
We appreciate your dedication. Wherever you are traveling, you are still finding space to do the yoga.
Every time, roll on the abdomen, go on the other side. Natural massage we are able to give. Nicely doing, Veena ma'am. Vikas sir.
कितना आगे तक ले सकते हैं उतना, maybe in front of the chest.
Complete foot is touching. Heel is touching on the ground. Nicely doing, Supriya ma'am. Excellent, Praveen sir, Shrikant sir. और जितना पास में ले सकते हैं पैर को, नियरर टू योर बॉडी, नियरर टू योर चेस्ट. Nicely doing, Bhagyashri ma'am. Both legs rest on the side from the ground. Fold, bring in front of your abdomen. Hold your legs, be there, and do maximum breathing.
Which all organs are
Legs
getting
straight
compressed.
and then down. First, both legs are straight. Now raise from the ground. Fold on the abdomen. Hold your both knees. Press on the abdomen. Then legs straight.
Good going.
Still our support under the head is there. Upper arm. Raise the legs all sideways. Hold, bring it ahead.
When you are raising the legs and bringing them together, try to keep the knees together.
Same steps repeating while going back. तो पूर्ण पवन मुक्तासन देखा होगा कि जरूरी नहीं सिटिंग में होगा, सफाई में होगा, साइड व्हील की हो पैरेट और भी डिफरेंट इफेक्ट है, साइड मसल्स है, साइड ऑर्गन्स है. and that physical control, mentally we are involved in that process, वो भी एक एडिशनल बेनिफिट है जब हम अनंत आसन में पूर्ण पवन मुक्त आसन करें.
Today we request in your Swadhyaya your feedback about are you able to comprehend the asana fully, because we try to show in different ways, different angles. Please write that in Swadhyaya, your suggestions.
Equally doing left side, right side, then coming on the back, hands spreading shoulder level. Both legs in 90 degrees. Same hand, same toe holding and going on the same side.
Palms are facing upwards in the beginning.
Going till the ground, complete arm touching, complete leg touching to Mother Earth. First step is legs together, hands spread in shoulder level, palm facing up. One of both legs are going together, holding one toe, same hand, same leg, and going sideways. 90-degree angle in both the legs. लेग को होल्ड करके ही साइड में जा, केयरफुली चलिए. एक्सपांशन है, स्ट्रेच है, ग्रॉइन है.
And winding up from the asana, we all understand धड़ाल से छोड़ने देना है उसको. आराम से प्यार से उसको आगे तक लेके जाना है.
Now multiply it's walking. We are holding big toe tightly and then taking leg down. Means stimulating Nadi chakra. पूरा नीचे जाएंगे. नश्वेता मैम फिर शुरुआत है, फिर स्टेप्स है. Nicely doing, Vidya ma'am, Veena ma'am. Experience that stretch and expansion on arm, on leg, पूरा पैर, पूरा हाथ जमीन में टच हो रहा है. Great, Kirti ma'am.
Very good, Veena ma'am. Excellent, सुहास सर. बहुत अच्छे आकाश सर. दूसरा हाथ जमीन पर पूरा, एल्बो से लेकर, yes, there you are, and feel the difference.
Nicely doing, Anita ma'am. For next asana, folding legs, heels raised up, both feet on the toes. And raise your back up. Shoulders, neck and head touching on the ground. Since we are holding toes, our arms are not touching. एक गैप है हल्का सा, maybe 1 inch. Yeah. West Asana, Jagdish sir. Mamta ma'am. लेग्स को जितना हिप्स के पास पुल कर सकते हैं जरूर करिएगा. योर फीट literally heels touching to your hips and then slowly raise complete back till cervical, till shoulders.
Do step by step.
इस ठहराव में कितना डीप ब्रीदिंग कर सकते हैं देखिएगा. Natural arch of backbone plus from inside internal organs, giving massaging pressure on
जा सकते थोड़ा और.
those vertebrae, those ligaments, those cartilages.
ममता मैम जा सकते हो. Beautifully done, Prajaktari. Excellent, Abhijit sir. Abhijit sir, keeping the head in same line as vertebra. Don't shift the head.
And for reverse stretch, reverse activity. Feet together, knees together, folded legs. With breath, raise your hands up. With breathe out, raise you up. Upper body up. If possible, touch your palms on the ground. Inhale, stretch it back. Exhale, go up. Keeping feet and knees together. Yes, they are firmly pressed on the ground. Possibly not moving feet, not moving hips, only upper body. Going back and raise up. And this is also Tanasana and Purna Pavan Muktasana. At least 20 times.
Just observe if your knees are separating when you get up. Otherwise, it's such a wonderful exercise for the pelvic muscles also. I hope your legs are joined, Sharmishta ma'am.
Feet are not at all moving from their place, fixed on the ground. पगबंध भी है. Good, Pravina ji. I'm happy to see everyone able to manage fixing legs on the ground, on the abdomen.
बाकी सी में आपका कैमरा कहीं और है.
Nice designer you, Veena ma'am. And then last iteration, hold the knees, press on the abdomen and just sit up. We are going in standing posture.
The right way of getting up.
जिसका इंतजार शायद ज्यादा हो रहा था कि हम कब खड़े होते हैं. एक बैलेंसिंग आसन करने के बाद डायरेक्टली सूर्य नमस्कार पे जा रहे हैं हम. Distance in our both legs, supporting lumbar with both palms and just stretch back.
Jaws are tight, tongue is relaxed.
द्रुतगत पूर्ण पवन मुक्तासन में तानासन पूर्ण पवन मुक्तासन मैक्सिमम कॉम्प्रेशन जनरेट किया था, है ना। जस्ट यू रिवर्स स्ट्रेच, both palms supporting lumbar, and slowly give expansion to front side to lower side of our complete self. From toes till head. Very good. एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन हमारा ब्रेथ पे जरूर है कि कितना लंबा है, डीप है, क्लैविकल है। अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तभी तो क्लैरिटी आती है और उसमें क्या चेंजेस, क्या एडिशन कर सकते हैं वो भी तो समझ में आता है। जितना थॉट्स में क्लैरिटी, एक्सपीरियंस में क्लैरिटी, उतना ही एक्सपीरियंस में और इम्प्रूवमेंट में भी। Joining hands together for Surya Namaskar. 3 cycles without any break. Want to give a maximum stimulation. Here, starting Uttanasana, Hastapadasan, Ashwasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg, Ashwasana, Hastapadasan, Uttanasana. Second half. Right leg spread. Left going back. Ashtanga touching to Mother Earth. Smooth flow. Bhujangasana. Looking down. Right leg. Ashwasana. Hastapadasan. Uttanasana. We count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, inside is together, outside there. Nice, going together. And Anjali Mudra. Controlled exhale. Slowly, easily relaxing physical body.
The heart rate which is increased, how fast it comes back to normal, how quickly, that's an indication of the strength of the lungs.
एक है सर्वांगीण सिंपल आसन जो हम सभी जानते हैं, बैक स्ट्रेच, पूर्णचंद्रासन, त्रिकोणासन, एक पादहासन. Only 3 steps we add. So here, going together, feet together, and starting with Uttanasana, Hastapadasan, Ashwasanchalan, Virasana, Trikonasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, एक बार उत्थासन, अष्टांगासन, भुजंगासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, right leg raised up, left leg ahead, Trikonasana. Everyone got perfect rhythm. Purna Chandrasana. Hastapadasana. Uttanasana. Let's bring the balance by doing on other side. Right leg straight back. Purna Chandrasana. Trikonasana. Every step we are completing. Adho Shvanasana. एक बार उत्थासन, अष्टांगासन, भुजंगासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, एक बार उत्थासन, अश्व संचलन, त्रिकोणासन, पूर्ण चंद्रासन, हस्तवारासन, उत्थानासन. Back to Namaskar. Stand still. Release slowly. Physical structures, skeletal structure. Almost after 30 seconds, sitting down, not lying down, sitting down. In one of the comfortable and favorite asana. But palms in Saman Mudra, eyes closed. One has to do pranayam. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Right now, no Antar Kumbhak, no Vaya Kumbhak. कहीं भी सांस रोक नहीं रहे. Smoothly inhale, smooth breath without any tightness. Release the breath. जब ने स्टिमुलेशन दिया है, एक एक एक्टिविटी को पूरी तरह बैलेंस करना है, रिलैक्स करना है. फॉर दैट सिंपल मुद्रा, सिटिंग पोस्चर एंड प्राणायाम. एटलीस्ट 10 हाइड्रेशन. लेग छोटा है तो ज्यादा भी चलेगा. Experiencing even that spartan of energy in fingertips, with arms, शरीर में तो है ही. A relaxation, regeneration, and pratyahar. Right now, just observe the thoughts in the mind. कुछ मुझे डिजायर है, विशेष है, कुछ भी नहीं. 100% फोकस्ड विद इट. even we observe that technical benefit and effects through this pranaya. We are breathing in through the nose. सभी filters को use करने के बाद ही air अंदर जा रहा है and throwing out impure air in a bigger quantity by exhaling through the mouth. Till the time सभी एक्सपीरियंस जरूर कर रहे होंगे कि हार्ट रेट शार्प हुआ, फिजिकली रिलैक्स महसूस कर. Going for second pranayam, doing varuna mudra, little finger, छोटी उंगली जो है वो अंगूठे से प्रेस करके other 3 fingers are straight. Little finger curled in and then put the hands. यहाँ पे वरुण मीन्स जल तत्व बैलेंस करने वाला ये मुद्रा है and giving more cooling effect, some special pranayam. Breathe in through the mouth, hold it inside, अंदर कुंभक रखिए and breathe out through the nostril.
Your teeth, upper jaw and lower jaw, they are on each other, but good smile on the face.
Thorough inhale करिएगा, slow shoot करिएगा. First abdomen expanding, then lungs are opening. Maximum air filling in the lungs, holding inside. 1:2:2, we are able to manage that proportion of length. Breathe in, Anta Kumbha, and breathe out. करेक्ट बैकबोन पोस्चर भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे पेट सीधा है, गर्दन नीचे नहीं जा रही तो ऊपर भी नहीं, पैरेलल है. Open your lips widely, give that straight to the cheeks, to the chin, और से आहा तक एक एक स्वर जहाँ पे स्टिमुलेट होना है, हमारे फेशियल ऑर्गन्स को स्ट्रेच मिलना है. जितना कूलिंग है उतना ही रीजनरेटिंग भी है. We are able to balance oxygen level in the body and removing more not needed toxins, maybe salts, maybe humidity जो जरूरत नहीं है शरीर को. Another 2 cycles of this Shithakari Pranaya and then going for Omkar. I'm sure everyone using this technique to improve the digestion. समर में थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा इस तरह का ब्रीदिंग रखने से एसिडिटी इश्यू, स्टमक रिलेटेड इश्यू नहीं आएंगे. एज वी ऑलवेज डिस्कस कि जब एसिडिटी हो रही है तब भी ये प्राणायाम करते हैं 5 to 10 आइट्रेशन. उसी टाइम एसिडिटी शांत हो जाती है. जॉइनिंग हैंड्स फॉर ओंकार. First ओंकार, A is longest. Full focus awareness on abdomen. ओंकार में पूरा चेस्ट पे ध्यान है. सेकंड ओंकार and third one from head to legs. मकार is longest. Stirring palms with pressure and tightness. Investing that energy which we have generated in palms, in our eyes, in ourselves, stretching up and going down.
Hari Om. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place. The sessions are available now on the YouTube. So if you have missed it, you can go through the YouTube channel and you'll be able to get through the complete 1 hour. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Don't forget the Swadhyay. We requested you to write about your suggestions on understanding each and every asana.